Hello everyone. Today we're going to cook wasabi salmon with bok choy, cabbage, shiitake mushrooms, and carrots. Take around 15 minutes to prep and a total of 30 minutes to finish the entire dish. I have fresh salmon right here. We're just going to season that with salt and pepper. We're going to season the vegetables with olive oil or regular oil, and we're going to put some ginger, garlic, and salt and pepper. We're going to mix that all up and put it in an oven. But at the moment, I've preheated the oven at 450 degrees and I already put in a roast baking sheet right there where we're going to put all of our ingredients and stick it into the oven for 15 minutes. Okay, so let me show you how we prep the dish. First, I'm going to season the salmon, the fish, with salt and pepper. Season it generously with salt and pepper. Set it aside. Now let's get ready with our vegetables. I have bok choy here. I have bok choy, cabbage, shiitake mushrooms, and some carrots. Put some oil, drizzle some oil on the vegetables. Season with salt and pepper. And mix well so the vegetables get seasoned. I have here shredded cabbage. I got this recipe from a magazine years ago, but I haven't done it in a while. I just remembered to do it because it's easy to cook and easy to make. So you just mix it well while we're waiting for the preheated baking sheet to be waiting for the baking sheet to be preheated at 450 degrees. So here we have it. It's a bit mixed. We're going to put half of the grated ginger on the vegetables and half of the finely grated garlic I used. So here we have the preheated baking sheet. I laid it on top of another baking sheet pan because it's really hot, so be careful when you do that. I put some foil just to for easy cleanup. I'm just going to oil it a little bit. I'm going to lay our vegetables on one side. You could hear that sizzle. Lay it up on one side over here. It's going to, when it starts to cook, it's going to be it's not going to be this bulky. Next, we put in the fish on one side. We're going to put this in the oven for around 15 to 20 minutes. There you go. So yeah, I'm going to drizzle some more oil on the fish. And we're ready to put it down into the oven. Leave it in there for 15 minutes at 450 degrees, and we'll get back to it. So while waiting for the fish and the vegetables to be cooked, what I have here is mayonnaise, wasabi paste, ginger, and some garlic. And we're just going to mix it well, mix it together. So halfway through, you need to flip the vegetables over so they all get cooked. Well, that's looking nice. It's going to create a lot of steam in here, so just swish it around like that so the vegetables get cooked. Beautiful colors. We're almost there. Another 7-8 minutes. I think it's ready to go. Wow, that's good. So we could turn it off now. We'll just take it out of the oven and plate it. So here's our wasabi salmon with bok choy, carrots, and mushrooms. So it looks beautiful, I think. You can see. So that took around 30 minutes to prepare and cook, and we could just, all you have to do is just plate it with our wasabi, mayonnaise, ginger, garlic sauce. You could put it on top of the fish when you plate it, and you have your vegetables here. It's really nice, and we have some like burnt parts of it which roasted. Let's put it that way. So there you have it, your salmon with bok choy, cabbage, shiitake mushrooms, and carrots with wasabi mayonnaise sauce. So I hope you do cook some of it, and let me know what you think. Enjoy. If you have some furikake, you could further dress your fish and vegetables with furikake. Okay.